How to upgrade RAM on your laptop or PC. Upgrading to larger or faster RAM is one of the most popular PC improvements because it delivers immediate, noticeable benefits. In this video, we will walk you through upgrading your laptop or PC's RAM step by step. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Assessing your computer's RAM needs. RAM upgrades vary depending on system requirements, so check your computer's current specifications first. For Windows users, go to Task Manager and then Performance. You should find RAM details like capacity and speed. Meanwhile, Mac users can find this information by navigating to About This Mac and then Memory. Types of RAM and their compatibility. There are many types of RAM, with the oldest being the DDR3 and the newest being DDR5. DDR3 RAM is common in older systems, offering broad compatibility but lower bandwidth than DDR4, while DDR4 is standard in modern systems, providing faster speeds and better efficiency. DDR5, the latest generation, delivers superior performance but requires compatible hardware, so verify motherboard support before upgrading. How to upgrade your RAM. Now that you know the basics, it's time to upgrade your RAM. Step 1. Opening your laptop or PC case. First, power off your device and unplug it. For laptops, flip it over and locate the RAM access panel. For desktops, unscrew or slide off the side panel to reveal the motherboard. Step 2. Locating the RAM slot. Gently release the RAM slots to prepare for the upgrade. For desktops, RAM slots are long, rectangular, and usually near the CPU. Step 3. Removing old RAM. If you're replacing old RAM, push the clips outward to gently release the module. Step 4. Installing new RAM. Take your new RAM and align the notch with the slot. Insert it at a 45-degree angle, then press firmly until it clicks into place. Step 5. Closing up and testing. Reseal and reconnect any peripherals and turn on your device. Once it boots, check your system info to confirm that the RAM is recognized. Upgrading your RAM is a simple but powerful way to supercharge your computer's performance. For more information, check out our official blog post on upgrading your RAM, linked in the description below,